What type of dental fillings are there? Well, there's many different types, and some are used for different purposes. Some of them have limitations, so it's important to discuss it with your oral health professional so they can let you know what fits best in your situation so you can make the best decision. Some of them you might know as tooth-coloured fillings, so those ones are made out of a material we call composite. Some of them are more of a temporary solution, like glass ionomer. There's ones that a lot of people know as silver fillings, so we know them as amalgam. And we used to use a lot of gold in the past, but it's quite expensive, and porcelain is another material that's used as well. What's involved in a dental filling procedure? When you come to see us at Today's Dentistry, we'll do everything we can to make sure that you feel comfortable and relaxed, that we're going to meet all your expectations. We'll take you through first, we'll get you comfortable in the chair. We offer you blankets, we've got cushions, we've got Netflix as well, and we've got headphones that pop on, and it's really good at making you kind of distracted from the experience so you can just focus on relaxing instead. At any time, if you want to stop and have a break, you're in full control of the appointment. So you let us know what works best for you and we will cater to every need that you have. Does dental filling treatment hurt? This is a question we get asked often. What we do here at the practice is make sure that we use things that make it more comfortable. There's modern anaesthetics that we're using now that can make it more comfortable when you're having the treatment done. We take things very slowly and we use a really gentle approach. The procedure is really based on how you're going with the appointment. So if there's something we can do to make you more comfortable during that, we might be getting some more cushions for you to make your back and neck feel more comfortable, just giving your mouth breaks, having a little prop in there just so you can rest your jaw. All those different things can make the appointment a lot more comfortable for you. Can I get same-day dental fillings? Yes, you can. So it depends on the timeframes that we have available here, but we do try and keep some time available during the day for anybody that needs additional treatment. Some people are busy with their day-to-day life work schedules, so let us know in advance when you first make your phone call, and we might be actually able to make that happen on the day so that you don't have to return again. What should you do if a dental filling falls out? First thing to do is make sure you get in contact with your dental professional. Main reason why, even if you're not experiencing pain or discomfort, could be something else that's happening there that could be causing more problems. The longer we leave a problem, the worse it gets. You're more likely to be getting pain and sometimes more costly dental treatments. So always contact us, make sure you're getting it checked as soon as you can. One question we get asked is, can you have dental fillings on front teeth? And the answer is yes, for many different reasons. Some people might get decay in those areas there. You can get chips. You may have damage on those areas. And so it's very common for us to do that type of treatment for people. There's many different options to restore those areas. So come in and speak to us and we'll let you know exactly the best options for you so you can make that decision at home and decide what will be best moving forward. What can dental fillings fix? Dental fillings are used to fix and repair areas that have been damaged, areas that have been worn, or areas that have been decayed. What we really do is place the filling material in the damaged area and then we set it with a light so it's hardened, and that way you can return with that function again and use it to get your normal day-to-day life back with that tooth. Sometimes there's other types of treatment options that might be needed instead, and so discuss those with your dental professional so they can give you the best and more accurate information. How many dental fillings can be done at once? It depends on what treatment you need to have done. If you wish to have just one done at a time, we're more than happy to accommodate that. If you're someone that would prefer to come in and get it all over and done with at the same time, we can definitely do that for you too. If you are having more than one treatment done, we'll do everything we can to give you lots of breaks, make it more comfortable for you so that you still walk out with your new smile feeling fresh and clean afterwards too. What can you do to maintain your fillings? Well, the main thing is maintaining good oral health. So oral health to us involves making sure that you're brushing your teeth daily. We recommend twice, flossing in between. Some fillings actually go in between your teeth surfaces. And we want to try and make sure that the margins where the tooth and the filling touch each other don't start getting acid, sugar, bacteria sitting on those surfaces. So maintaining those margins will maintain the integrity and structure of the filling itself. Things that we eat and drink every day can definitely have an effect. So if there's more sugars and acids around, then those are going to potentially cause deterioration in those areas. And just making sure that you're seeing your dental professional regularly. They can check to see if there's any signs of wear, damage, or cracks in any areas. And picking up those things early can often be solved in a very simple way. Leaving them a long time, you're more likely to have more bigger and more expensive problems. Can you eat after a dental filling? Well, it depends. If there's areas that are numb, sometimes our cheek or our lips might be a bit numb in the area, not just the tooth, there's a risk that you may accidentally bite those areas. So it's better just to wait till everything's worn off and then you can eat comfortably. That would actually go with drinking too. So if you were to have a hot drink, there's a risk that you could actually spill it on yourself as well as causing some damage. So wait till all the numbness is worn off and then you can go back to your normal chewing, normal functioning, normal eating in those areas. Do we use anaesthetics for dental fillings? Yes, we do. We have the best types available here. The way we administer anaesthetics is a lot more gentle. And that means that you're going to have an experience when you come here that's going to make you feel more comfortable. You're not going to be in discomfort or distress at any time. We also have other things that can make you feel comfortable too, though, not just anaesthetics. The staff here are really friendly. We use a lot of distraction methods, so we have Netflix and Bluetooth headphones on above you as well to make you feel more comfortable. We've got cushions and blankets, so it's the whole experience which is going to make you feel like you're having the best experience at the dentist. Can you get dental fillings during pregnancy? The answer is yes. In fact, during pregnancy, you're at higher risk of decay from many different aspects. We're craving more sugars a lot during that time. We're snacking more frequently. And if unfortunately you have morning sickness, there's a lot more acid entering your mouth at that time. So it's important to make sure that you do see a dentist regularly to make sure that anything that can be picked up sooner can prevent worse things happening in the long term. Having filling treatment done, you can get it done at any stage, but most people prefer to come and see us during the second trimester. Normally you've got less effects of morning sickness and nausea, and you're more comfortable in sitting in the chair. But to be honest, you can come at any stage to see us. Can you get dental fillings while breastfeeding? Yes, you can. The other thing too is if you need to bring your bub into the appointment as well, like we will do everything we can here to make it comfortable for bubby as well as for yourself. Here at the practice we have baby change tables, we have drinks available for you, and we have private room areas if you needed to breastfeed during the appointment. You can stop any time during the appointment phase if your baby is feeling stressed out or anything at all, and then we can proceed with the treatment whenever you feel comfortable. Let us know what works for you and we can do that.